What is up, guys? This is Monster Tech here, back with another video. And this video is why the iPad Pro cannot replace your computer. So this is basically why the new iPad Pros, or any iPad Pros for that matter, can replace your Mac or PC. So three main reasons, and number one is iOS. Now iOS, it's not very great for all of your tasks you need to do. For example, you can't really do any real video editing on it. iMovie's not really real video editing on it, and you can't really have full Photoshop, not yet, but you don't have it right now. So iOS, it also limits you to the stuff you can do, like you can't really plug in a lot of stuff, and yeah. So number two is no plugging in of hard drives or storage mediums. So you can't really plug in any extra storage to your new iPads. The only thing you can do is import photos to it. You cannot hook up a external hard drive for extra storage for your iPad. You just can't do that right now with iOS 12. So that's number two. And number three, and that is no mouse or trackpad or any mouse interface. So with iPad Pro, the only thing you have is a touchscreen or Apple Pencil. With the Macs, you have a mouse, and there's no mouse on the new iPad Pros or any iPad or any iOS device ever. So that is another con, but I guess with Macs you don't get touchscreens, but if you get like a Surface Pro, you get the best of both worlds. So I guess if you want touchscreen and all that stuff with the stylus support and trackpad, just get a Surface Pro, I guess. So this is why the iPad Pro can't replace your PC. So this has been a Monster Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.